How to set your hourly rate on PeoplePerHour. First of all, open your web browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your freelancer account using your registered email and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Profile from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Edit button to access your profile settings. Scroll down to find the hourly rate section. Here you can set the amount you want to charge clients per hour. Make sure your rate reflects your skills, experience, and market demand. If you are just starting out, consider setting a competitive rate to attract your first few clients. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your hourly rate. After entering your preferred rate, click Save to update your profile. Remember, your hourly rate directly affects how clients view your services, so be realistic and confident in your pricing. Setting the right rate helps you attract the right clients and ensures you are properly compensated for your time and expertise. Now you know how to set your hourly rate on PeoplePerHour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.